I'd love to go up that way, but I'm not going to let them.
Ding ding. It's more like. Oh, it's not here.
No, it was moved from another station.
Oh,
Selling, I think.
Oh my god, look!
Carriage. I bet it's got an engine pushing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, it's just wow. Talk about much like a single carriage with a little. Yeah, it's the mini Task 14, I call it. George will know what it is.
And the guard on the back.
Yeah.
Probably a
There's the
pilot.
engine. The driver will be in the front. Oh, he's just giving the signal.
A pilot man, I think they
Yeah.
call him.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, we're visiting from the F1 railway.
Yeah, I used to volunteer actually. I used to live in Essex.
Oh, you used to volunteer? Fine.
Sick around there, yeah.
Which station?
Both got forward longer.
Okay, he's
Yeah.
got a former helping
Yeah.
Nice.
fellow volunteers here as well.
I don't think they use it though.
No, it says no entry.
Maybe it's this signal.
Well, that guy who came and flipped the points, he must have walked down here.
So far for him.
Yeah.
The Wellesley Railway did retain that one.
I think
to its 1990s livery. Yeah.
Oh look, they got a picture.
One sec.
I'm going to fetch the train.
No, it's working now.
Oh, that's for the
Got a little rail cart going up and down.
Brilliant layout.
These two, that's good for me.
But they're all going in different places.
And they're happy to donate stuff.
Yeah, we just see the carriage. Imagine this is your future carriage, David.
Yeah.
Oh, well, like this the double car here.
I said it's a
yes.
This is one of my. This is my favourite. Regional Railways livery, like that Pacey you saw Wednesday.
Is that's not a paper.
No, but it's the same livery as.
It's
That's 19.
like a thumper then.
You see what's in that carriage?
Watch as he goes under the bridge. Watch his head.
Oh, what's that? It's similar to our railway. Like it's a modern. This is also 1990s. Yeah.
Is this a older model then? Train as well, but I'm definitely not. I think it's 300.
Proper Network Southeast.
Like how we both.
Support loads are withdrawn.